Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. Today we are making a hillbilly chicken tractor. I call it hillbilly because it's kind of hill folk type of stuff. We don't, everything is repurposed from random stuff I found around the farm. Therefore it's like virtually free, a little bit of fastener, a little bit of cost in some fasteners, but that's about it. And so this is just going to be a simple drag tractor. It's 32 square feet. It'll be for some laying hens. We'll probably do 6 birds in there. Moves through a market plot of squash and pumpkins. So this will go in between our runways, or in between our plantings, to allow for fertilization of the soil, or amendment of the soil, as well as cutting down on feed costs and just healthy, happy birds. So check it out. Again, this is kind of hillbilly. We normally have access to a couple other materials that really help this process work a little bit better. However, though, due to supply chain shortages, we are very limited on what we have access to around here. But make do with what you got. That's why I call it hillbilly. So the whole design, or one of the other purposes of this, with the idea of doing daily movements, being able to move the birds every day, what facilitates the ability for that for one person is the lightweight design of this. So I do recommend, instead of doing a wooden frame, I recommend finding yourself some cage clips. They're called cage clips. You can find them online or sometimes at the local farm stores, and they're designed for being able to build rabbit or chicken cages. And they're just a little wire clip that goes around and secures your wire, and it'll create a good strong frame without the use of wood. Wood is expensive and environmentally costly. This is all repurposed. This is stuff we found in a ditch right here on the farm from when we bought the place, but nonetheless, I do recommend cage clips. The amount of wood in this frame alone will add about 40 pounds to the weight of this tractor. So I obviously, for anybody who is physically impaired in any way, this is definitely not the way to do it. So not too worried about most of this. We're not building a high-end set of cabinets or table or anything like that. This is literally just a hillbilly chicken tractor to keep birds safe. So if I were you, I wouldn't invest a lot of time or money into this, because most likely your first prototype, you'll figure out what you don't like about it anyways. Or what doesn't work for you in your system. Everybody's system is different, whether it's a backyard or whether it's a large commercial poultry operation, or just, again, a small system like ours. We only have about 24 chickens, laying hens. We have some meat birds too at all times, but the purpose of our farm is not chickens. The purpose of our farm is vegetable production and hogs. Chickens are just kind of an afterthought for us. And best part of it, don't compare yourself to what you see on YouTube. It's like I was saying, there's a lot of cuts and takes for that footage, plus also a whole bunch of things that did not work for those people to get where they are with their systems. So that's why I'm saying don't invest a lot of money or time in this until you figure out what works well for you. this is enough room for 3 or 4 chickens, which is a good number, you know, for a backyard flock. 4 birds will keep a family of 3 or 4 in eggs pretty darn well. But so anyways, so this is about right for 4 birds. I would say no more than that. They'd be kind of cramped in there. They would do okay just because it'd be being moved every day, so you wouldn't have manure buildup. However, yeah, it's just the humane thing to do. Give them more space. Hey, so one more thing to mention. I don't recommend using any type of dark metal or even like a corrugated old tin, which is available on a lot of farmsteads. I don't recommend that. It'll heat up. It will get really hot in the sun. So you'll be very limited where you can put your birds. Some people will do white roof metal or what have you over the entire top of the cage. That works fine. I usually just do the hutch area. And again, during the heat of the really hot part of the summer, we always end up moving them to one of our shaded paddocks. We have paddocks that are what you'd call silvopasture. So they're pasture and forest combined. And so during the heat of the summer, we move our birds and rabbits and hogs into those areas. It gets pretty hot here in southeast Nebraska. So. Hey guys, so by the way, we here at Storehouse Farms, we can custom build really any chicken or rabbit tractor or hutch for your backyard. We build them, we make them more affordably than you can get at any of the box stores. We also have a 1-year guarantee on all materials and workmanship, so if it fails for any reason, we'll either build you a brand new one or we'll come out and repair it at no charge to you. We also have laying hens and rabbits available for your backyard rabbitry or chicken flock. We can build them with wheels, we can build them on skids, whatever it is that you want or have a design for, or if you want us to design it, we can design it for your special needs. We also make them a little bit more cute than this. This is super practical, this is farm use. It's gonna get beat up out here in the elements, being a farm and whatnot. But we sure will make them cute as all get out for your backyard flock. Check us out, storehouse51.org, or shoot us an email at storehousefarms51@gmail.com. Thanks for checking us out. Hey guys, so thanks for checking out our videos. If you're interested in what we're doing out here, you can check us out at storehouse51.org. Again, that's storehouse51.org. Please like it, share it, comment. It helps us be able to gather a little bit more attention to our videos and what we're doing out here. And if you're interested in any of this, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching our videos. God bless.